Today's gonna be a hard day. At least it's gonna be hard for a little bit because about a year ago, Megan and I got a puppy. We were living with my parents. We had turned their garage into an apartment and we were living there, and we went and got a puppy, and then we moved out and we got an apartment over here on this side of town, and we couldn't bring him with us. He just doesn't get the attention there that he needs. So finally I came to the realization that we had to get rid of him. Megan had already been telling me for a while, it's time, we gotta get rid of Brinkley. We need to find him a better home where he can be loved a lot more, he can get a lot more attention that he needs. And I was just really trying and hoping that something would work out where we'd get a house or an apartment where we could have him. I finally realized I have to get him a better home where he will be safe and played with and get the attention that he needs by having people around him all the time, somewhere especially hopefully with children, because he loves the kids and he loves to play with them. We found a place for him to go, and they're gonna come pick him up today. So this is the last time I'm probably ever gonna see Brinkley, because the lady who's coming to pick him up is taking him out of, I think they're going out of state to her brother's house or somewhere like that, to some people who will be able to take care of him. And I'm just not looking forward to saying goodbye to him because I love him so much. I'm gonna go before I start crying. Alright, I'm at my folks' house. This is my brother Tristan. Hey. He just moved back from Cambodia, so they're doing admission for our church. And somewhere around here is Brinkley. We just gotta go find him. Brinkley! 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 There he is. Brinkley! Oh, Brinkley, buddy. Oh, how are you? How are you, Brinkley? Are you so happy to see me? Oh, come here. Come here. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy, Brinkley. Alright, we gotta find your collar and get it back on you, huh? Alright, ready, Brinkley? Run! Okay, Brinkley, let's go inside. We gotta find your collar and get you all dressed up and pretty for your new owner. Brinkley, sit. Good boy, come here. Sit. You will wait. Good boy. Good boy. So I guess I didn't have to say goodbye to Brinkley because the lady who was supposed to get him never showed up. So now she's going to come by tomorrow at 12:30. Got to play with him for a little while and then hang out with my little brother for a little bit, and took a nap, and now I'm gonna go home and do my homework. So I never have hiccups. And now I've got them, and they won't stop. This is seriously going on like 5 minutes, and they hurt. My chest hurts really bad. Every time I think they're gone, they attack again. And it seriously has gone on, we're at 15 minutes now. 20 minutes. Still going. I tried the holding my breath method. It did nothing for me. I'm not sure it did anything at all. Although it didn't hurt as bad. But I just can't hold my breath that long. Not since I was in high school when I did swim team. I just really hope this doesn't go on to 30 or 40 minutes, because I already hurt. I'm going to go by one more thrift store today before I go home and do homework. This is the last time I'll be driving this car until we go to the dealership and try and trade it in, because insurance is due tomorrow and I don't want to insure it if I'm not going to be driving it. So I'm just going to park it at my in-laws so that it's not in the driveway or the parking lot and taking up spots that someone else could use. And yeah, I guess, you know, in 2 weeks we'll buy another car and go get that all taken care of. Probably change our licenses and the registration on the Jeep first. That train crossing guard is completely broken in half. Look at that.
It's hanging in the turn lane.
Oh, the truck's in the way. I want to see what happens when it goes back up.
Guy by the broken thing.
Here.
Is he like directing
I don't know.
people to not... It's out of focus. Good thing it's only a Metrolink.
Yeah.
Is he gonna get back in the...
Yeah, he's getting back in.
I've never seen a train stop like that in the middle. That's so weird. Oh, good.
Oh, it just folded up.
Maintenance.
How does that even break? These things are made out of steel.
Look, you can like even see like it's like, because they're supposed to go straight up.
I just made brownies. So I've got my brownies and my cup of milk. Well, thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.